So this is another different type of video. And what I mean by that is this. Now don't get me wrong, I really do like building, but I'm just not very good at it. So let's give it a shot. Now what I wanted to do for this build is to try to keep it in the same area that the villager house was already in. So what I'm doing now is kind of marking out how much area I would have in order to build it. Now I am sorry about the rain. I tried to fix it right now. I'm kind of standing still and it got brighter. I couldn't fix it for some reason, so I did end up fixing it later in the video, so just bear with me for just the time being. It is a little rainy. But anyway, since I'm going to be starting to build, I'm going to just turn up some music. But before I do that, I would just like to say that because this is a new video, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. And if you really liked it, then you can always subscribe. Now for the inside, I'm just gonna try to keep it looking like a villager house. But as always, you can just put whatever you want inside of it. Ooh, a chest. Let's see what's inside of it. A subscribe button. Oh, that's a good idea. You should totally subscribe. Now you might be wondering, is this it? Well, no. You can do a little bit more. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in another video. Bye.